In my second grade classroom, you will not see textbooks and worksheets. You will not see students sitting in their desks listening to their teacher lecture and demonstrate at the whiteboard. In my second grade classroom, students are engineers. They are creating, testing, and marketing products. This year, my students are working on a design for a new playground. They are put into groups where they are engineers, and they're working hard to win the bid on the playground that will hopefully be selected as our newest addition to the school. They will present their bid to our school site-based committee and PTO. Their bid will include a student-created blueprint of what the playground will look like. It will also list every item and the cost, with the total cost added at the bottom. They will also present an overall student response from their peers and how they reacted to the plan that they have come up with. The site-based committee and the PTO will then select the winning group for the bid. So, what does this look like in the classroom for the content, you may ask? Well, in writing, we're working on writing grants and proposals to present to our site-based committee and our school PTO, asking for funds to help support our project. Each group is also writing the specifics for Donors Choose page to hopefully get funds from there as well. We are making lists of the items needed for purchase. We're writing letters to local businesses asking for donations of product or funds. We're also writing a speech for a presentation to our site-based committee and PTO. In literacy, we're comparing product reviews and safety ratings, as well as trying to consider some cause and effect relationships that may come with the purchase of each item. In math, we're comparing the prices of the products needed, whether it be a pre-made piece of equipment or something that they design that they want to build themselves, or a pre-made item that they feel they can build themselves cheaper or get a local place to build cheaper. They will also need to measure the area and perimeter of the playground as well as the length of each piece of equipment. They will then add all the costs for the selected items and get a running total of the funds needed to create their project. We will also be analyzing data from the school-wide student survey of the most wanted playground equipment items. We will build graphs and charts to go along with this data. In social studies, we'll be looking at the history of our playground and the equipment on it and how it's changed over time. We will use this to predict how the equipment will continue to change over time, and we will try to select products we think will last the longest and be most useful to our school for the longest amount of time. We will also look at laws and rules, and then we'll create a set of rules to go for our playground for our school. To integrate technology into this lesson, students will first start by creating a survey that all students in the school will participate in to help them decide how they're going to design the playground, what products are most wanted. They will need to use technology at the end of the lesson to create a presentation of their choice to use during their speech. This presentation will include graphs, pictures, and anything else they feel is important to winning the bid. So, in my second grade classroom, students are more than kids sitting at desks. They are members of the community learning how the world works.